It's a Friday fact. Friday, Friday, Friday. It's a Friday fact, yeah.
I've been waiting all week for this.
A new fact every Friday. It's a Friday fact.
In the past, we had a similar Friday fact, a funny fact describing that there was no size limit for the Logic App parameter name. But on that, we didn't go through all the scenarios, something we will address now here today. In Azure Logic Apps, you can abstract values that might change in workflows across development, test, and production environments by defining parameters. A Logic App parameter stores values that can be reused throughout a Logic App workflow. These parameters allow for a more flexible and maintainable configuration of Logic Apps, making it easier to update values without changing the actual workflow's logic. However, when working with Logic App parameters, Logic App Standard and Logic App Consumption have different name sizes and restrictions that you need to be aware of. Logic App Consumption Parameters Naming Restrictions. Inside Logic App Consumption, parameters are probably the only Logic App component that doesn't have almost any type of limitations regarding the name. It can use any type of characters, including control characters, dots, and spaces, and it doesn't have any size limitation. The only two limitations that exist are: the parameter names must contain one character. That character can be whatever character you want. A single space is allowed. You can create a variable call, space, and another call, two spaces. You can use a heart if you want, because we never know when we will need to create a romantic business process. And finally, the parameter name must be unique within the Logic App Consumption. What we are seeing describe all the process inside Logic App Consumption. Logic App Standard Parameters Naming Restrictions. In Logic App Standard, the parameters are way more restricted, and they have very restricted rules. Inside Logic App Standard, the parameter names must contain one character and be fewer than or equal to 80 characters. But also, the name can only be a letter, digit, or the following symbols: minus, dot, parentheses, and underscore. The parameter name must be unique within the workflow. They are also case insensitive. Unfortunately for us, in Logic App Standard we cannot use a heart, so if you have any idea in creating a romantic business process, you need to go to consumption. I hope you enjoy this Friday fact, and see you next Friday for another fact.